Hey folks, welcome to my channel. A few days ago I had Italian breakfast for the first time. I thought I would, and I really enjoyed it, and I thought I would return and do a video having this breakfast. I am at Capriccio restaurant, Rotom Tortola, and having breakfast. So I'll show you a clip what it looks like, so stay tuned. So this is my breakfast. It's here, my Italian breakfast. As you can see here, it has some bread. This is like the Italian, maybe pita bread, I think. And we have some cheese across here. And we have some meats now. Don't ask me to explain because I don't remember the names of the pieces, the meats, but they're very, very good. All I could remember, she said that this one here, it's salami. This one is prosciutto, I think. I don't remember the name of the rest, but they're really, really good. What I like about it is I expect them to be salty, but this is nicely flavored and it's just adequate amount of, salt and stuff for it. And check this out, we have the pickled vegetables. Have you ever heard of that? Pickled vegetables. And what we have here, this is eggplant, guys. This is eggplant. Eggplant has been pickled and it's good. Never heard about this before and it's great. Let me just get all of that. This is pickled eggplant. This looks like onion, I think. Can't really say. These are olives, seedless olives, and it's like, maybe olive oil. It is very nice. Totally different. Like I said, I really had to come back and have this breakfast again. And let's do some of these sausages that they have. And look how they're nicely thinly cut. Look at that. Just like I said, normally I'm accustomed to like the sausages a bit salty. That's really nice. Just perfect for me. So I'll continue my breakfast and enjoy my breakfast. And I'll be back when I'm done. I'm having a regular cup of tea, English breakfast, and some orange juice to throw that down, and I'm happy. Let's have a piece of cheese. This is a happy breakfast to me. Happy breakfast.